Hi, I Subhankar Roy from India International School. Today I teach only the left hand progress style. How to improve your left hand with synchronization of chord. Okay, because already you know the C major scale, how to play ascending descending order, C minor scales and butterfly also. But whatever we play in right hand, with the right hand, application of left hand is very important, and the left hand application only depend on the chords. So first you write the name of the chord, and today I teach you C major scale chord. Okay, C, first you listen, then I teach you and you will write. First listen. Melodious. If I play right hand ascending descending note, this is the first basic, okay, not melody. But when I apply my left hand, same things. Listen, fully melody. So take your pen, pencil, and anything where you write C major scale chord's name, right? Okay, because this is C major scale. So first, an Indian system also you can write C means Sa, natural. Sa means Shuddha note, Shuddha Swar, Shuddha Swar. When you apply Shuddha Swar, and that ascending and descending orders time you apply related chord. Okay, both are the same, names difference. So first you write, when you will play C note, mind it, when you play C note, that time you apply C chord. Okay, now sir, C chords is equal to, write C chord is equal to C plus E plus G. Now C, left hands, first finger, we play C, plus which note? E, middle finger means our third finger, G, thumb means fifth finger. Hold together, okay? Hold it. So like that. When you play C note in right hand, in against of C note, you synchronize your left hand with C chord, major chord. This chord name C major. Clear? Indian system Sa Ga Pa. When you play Sa note, you apply Sa Ga Pa. Now second, D. When you play D notes, I said D note means D chord. No, D chord don't apply. This is the change. Because today my lesson only C major scale and C major scale related chord. In between C major scale I play D note, but you never apply D chord. You apply related chord. Which chord is applicable or which chord suitable for D note, that chord you can apply. So when you play D note, that time suitable chord is G chord. Okay. Now G chord means G plus B plus D. Okay. So when you play D note, at time left hand you apply G chord. G, B, D. Means when you play Re note, Indian system, you apply your left hand Pa, Mi, Re. Third, E notes. When you play E note, same you apply again C chord. Because in between C chord already E note instant. Because E chord means C, E, G, so E note instant. So application is C chord. When you play E note, that time you play C chord. And fingering always same. Okay. 1, 3rd, 5th. Indian system, when you play Ga note, you apply Sa related chord, means Sa, Ga, Pa. Now 4th means F notes. When you play F notes, that time you must apply F chord. F chord means F chord is equal to, right, A plus C. Maybe you apply upper octave C, maybe you apply lower octave C. But lower octave C apply means fingering, this process will be changed. So better we apply now basics F, A and upper octave C. So you can apply your same fingering process. Okay. So F note when you apply, then you use F, A and C. Ma note, Indian system, when you play, you apply Ma, Dha, Sa, upper octave Sa. Now Pa, Indian system, and Western system, G chord, G notes. When you play G notes, already you know the G chord inside the C major scale is very suitable chord. Okay. So against the G notes, you can apply G chord. Already G chord instant in between C scale. Means Pa, when you play, that time same you apply Pa bass chord, means G chord, or you can play odd oblique C chord, which you like. Now 6 notes, very important notes in any major scale. 6 notes is very important note of any major scale. Why? Write, mention that one note. Okay. When you play A notes, means 6 notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, 6 notes. That time application of chords is difference, means minor chord you will apply. C major scale, mind it. But now when you play 6th note, that time the application progress just changed. You apply minor note. Any major scale, when you play 6 notes, based on the 6 notes, you play minor scale on base of the notes. Okay, because this is very relative minor scale. Like that, A notes when you play, so you play A minor notes, means minor chord, means A, C, E. A plus C plus E. This is called A minor. Don't write A chord, no. A minor chord. Otherwise, oblique you can apply if any problem. So you can apply F chord also, because in between the F chord, A notes already instant, because F is C, A is already. So you can play. But better and melodious if you apply A minor chord. A, C, E. So 6 note Indian system means dha note when you apply. So you can play left your hand ha, sa, ga. Otherwise ma related chord. Ma, ha, sa. Your choice. Now last notes means 7 notes. When you play B notes, then you apply again G chords. Okay. Again you play G chord. Now C and D on upper C notes when you play, then you apply G chords, B chords when you play Indian system. In E note when you play, that time you apply again G chords. Means pa related chord. Pa, ni, re. Now last ending again C notes, upper octave. You can apply F chord or C chord. Upper octave or lower octave C, whichever your choice. If your shifting capacity is okay, so you can shift upper octave. Otherwise, you play F chords. When you Indian system play upper octave Sa, you can apply again Sa bass chord, lower note, otherwise upper notes. Otherwise, play Ma bass chord. Now listen. I play notes and chord slowly. Sa, Si. Okay, and try to maintain the difference. Okay, I'll play like that for video capacity will be clear. That's why I play here. But you will play, maintain the gap between the octave. When you play left hand, so please maintain the 1 octave gap or 2 octave gap. Then you play right hand. Okay, like that. Okay, but I will play because the video will be clear for you. So C notes, C chord, holding 3 chord together. Not that, no. Hold it. Then D chord notes, G chord. D notes with G chord. E note with C chord. F notes with F chord. Okay. G notes with G chord. Okay. 6 notes. A notes you can play F, otherwise better A minor. B chord, B notes, apply G chord. C notes F or C or C. Okay. Now listen. It's very interesting. After that, you will try to improve with rhythm like that. Left hand 1 and 3rd and 5th finger you will use with 1 2 2 1 2 2 rhythm. Like that, C chord. I will play. First you try single and holding together. After complete that, after practice that, you try to update for himself. You play 1 2 2 1 2 2. This is called waltz beat. WALTZ. 3/4 count. Someone say Indian system dadra, tal dadra. Okay. So like that, left 1 2 2. D notes, that time G chord. And part practice very important. The part practice means left hand practice only. No right hand and left hand together. Part practice. Right hand is okay, I know. Left hand part practice is very important because if your left hand not free, so you never synchronize with your right hand. So part practice means only concentrate your left hand and chord progress. Like that. C chord. Then G chord. Shifting chord. Okay. 2 1 2 2 1 2 2. Again C. right hand like that. So I hope you enjoy your left hand progress style.